In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search tags in Obsidian to quickly find related notes, organize your content by topic, and navigate your vault much more efficiently. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, you'll want to open Obsidian and make sure the vault you want to search is loaded. Once you've got your vault open, take a moment to review some of your existing notes. This helps you get a feel for the tags you've already created and will make searching much easier. Now to start searching, click on the search icon located in the left sidebar. This will open up the search panel. Once it appears, click inside the search box to place your cursor there, and you'll be ready to type your tag search query. To search for a specific tag, begin by typing the hashtag symbol, and then immediately follow it with the exact name of the tag you're looking for, like work. After typing your tag, you might need to press enter to initiate the search, depending on your Obsidian settings. Now you can review the matching notes that appear in the search results. Scroll through this list to find the specific note you want to open. Simply click on any search result, and Obsidian will jump you directly to that matching note, making navigation incredibly fast. If you need to search for a different tag, just return to the search field, clear out the previous tag, and enter your new query, for example. Projects, you can also search for nested tags, which are tags organized within other tags. To do this, simply type out the full nested path, such as work the meetings, and review the notes that fall within that specific category. Beyond the search panel, Obsidian also has a dedicated tags pane. Locate this pane in the sidebar. You might need to expand it if it's collapsed. Within this pane, you can browse all the tags that exist in your vault, which is great for identifying your most frequently used ones. Clicking on a tag in this list will instantly show you all the notes associated with it, and you can even explore nested tag groups by expanding parent tags to see related subcategories. For more advanced organization, you can combine your tag searches with other search filters. This allows you to refine your searches and narrow down large result sets even further by adding keywords or other search operators. It's also a good practice to verify tag consistency in your vault. Look for any duplicate or similar tags and standardize them where possible to maintain a clean organizational system. If you find important notes are missing tags, feel free to update them. By using tags effectively for projects, topics, or statuses, you can create a consistent workflow and build a robust organizational system. For those searches you perform frequently, you can even save them to quickly reuse common tag searches as you work. Regularly using these tag searches will help you find related notes faster and keep your Obsidian vault organized and easy to navigate.